In this video, I'm going to show you how to find draft post on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Firstly, we have to make a draft post. So I'm going to make a post by clicking on what's on your mind. Then I will simply write hello, and after tapping go back button on upper left corner, you will be asked whether you want to finish post later. We want to save it as draft, so tap on this option. After saving it, Facebook will send you a message saying your draft is saved. Just click on that message, and it will take you to a page where all your drafts are kept. Remember, these drafts will be deleted after 3 days. If you're not getting notifications from Facebook, go to your phone settings. Look for the Apps section. And then click on Apps button. Use the search icon to find Facebook. Click on Notifications and make sure to turn on this feature by tapping the toggle switch next to allow notifications. And that's it. Now you should be able to find your draft posts. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.